Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect circle from wire. First, choose your wire carefully. A good starting point is 18 to 24 gauge for most projects. Next, gather your tools. You'll need round nose pliers, wire cutters, and a cylindrical object like a dowel or marker for consistent shaping. Finally, measure and cut your wire, ensuring you have an extra 2 to 3 inches for overlap and adjustments. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's start forming that curve. Take your wire and gently begin wrapping it around your cylindrical object. It's crucial to maintain even tension throughout this step to avoid kinks. Use your thumbs to guide the wire, keeping it flush against the form as you slowly rotate the cylinder. Aim for an overlap of at least 1/2 inch at the ends. This will give you enough material to securely join the circle later on. Once you've got the initial curve, carefully remove the wire from your cylindrical object. Now is the time to inspect its shape closely. Look for any flat spots or areas where the curve isn't quite perfect. Use your round nose pliers to gently make small adjustments, working slowly around the entire circumference. The key here is patience and precision. Tiny tweaks will lead to a beautifully smooth and consistent circle. For the final step, let's secure your circle. Overlap the two wire ends by about 1/2 inch. Using your round nose pliers, create a small, neat loop on one of the ends. Now, thread the other wire end through this newly formed loop and wrap it tightly around the base of the loop. Trim any excess wire with your cutters, leaving a tiny bit to press down. Gently press that sharp end flat for a smooth, snag-free finish. Your perfect wire circle is complete.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.